Hello everybody, we're back out here with the DroneX Pro. I'm going to try a little indoor action. Now, you're going to see the little couple of second clip I put at the beginning of the video is going to show you the difference between a real Mavic Pro and the DroneX Pro. So you will see that. Okay, here we go. It's upside down again. Had the wrong app. Why does that camera just point down so much? Okay, well, we'll try to get it to do something. I'll put the video in there and then I'll put the flight time in there too. Makes that, I don't know what that vibration is that it makes. See, even when I go all the way to the ceiling, this camera, it doesn't show you a lot. It has a bad tilt to the camera. Huh. Just don't get it, man. Let's put the third rate on. Let's try a couple of flips here. I mean, it flies okay. I mean... yeah, the third rate's too unruly. It handles terribly in the third rate. Some serious vibration going on over there. I don't know if that's that Wi-Fi antenna or what. Whoa. The first rate is actually good enough just for your normal type flying, especially if you were going to fly in the house. You had a big basement and you were going to fly around in there, the first rate's fine for that. That buzzing is annoying as all hell though. What the hell is that vibrating? One of them props hitting on something. Huh. What is that prop right there? Might be tapping on something right there. This one on this side. Right there. I think it might be. Has to be further investigated. Let me see if I can flip this camera upside down while it's still running. And I can. And it's still recording. Okay, so I wanted to see if it would actually show something else on the video other than what we're seeing here. Giving you a different bird. Oh. Am I getting battery low here or what? Starting to lose a little power. Let me flip the camera back. There's definitely a rub going on there somewhere. It's just hard to figure it out. Okay, there goes the battery indicator. So I got to bring it back. I don't want the crap out while it's in the pool, okay? No, it won't do no more flips because the battery's too weak. I'm trying to get it as much flight time as I can. Let me cut the video. The video ran for 7 minutes, so that's going to be your flight time with this thing. 7-8 minutes is going to be your top. Okay, there it goes. All right, guys. DroneX Pro. You're going to see, like I said from the beginning, I have the comparison little picture up there for you for the Mavic Pro and the DroneX Pro. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.